Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. See my screen okay? How we doing? How we doing? We ready for another win? We ready for another win? Let's get a W today. Cheers. All right. Yesterday, we ended up closing bullish. See that? Broke the tops there, pushed up. We've already broken that high and we're pushing down now. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Could be a continuation to the downside, especially if you look at it like this. See, this whole thing came down, pulled up, came back down, breaking the low here. It came back, could be a retest here for a continuation. It's a continuation I was talking about. So we could be pushing down. I mean, to be honest, like, it's still been on a downtrend. Like, it's bearish as fuck. I know this is a push up here, but in the scheme of things, when you look at this area here, where it held as support, it broke through, and this could be a retest, especially if we start breaking these levels here. Right. What do you guys think? What are you guys trading today? This was yesterday's move was a quick move here where we opened up, pushed down, pulled up. Good morning, Banks. I'm in GJ. You trading GJ, man? I haven't traded GJ in I don't know how long. For the last year, I've been trading futures. Well, almost a year. It's been like since Sorry, got a message. Pips Supreme, Sam Gamer. Who else is on today? This is day 2 of my live streams. We are back. So yesterday's opening range, we broke out to the downside, nice little wick, and then pushed up, came back, retested, continued to the upside, right? But since then, we consolidated here, then just melted back into the opening range. So, although we do have, you know, this little bit of a trend to the upside here, like I said, in the grand scheme of things, this could be just a pullback, right? If we look at it from a pattern sense, what does this look like? Can somebody tell me what this pattern looks like? Does anybody recognize a pattern? Or not yet? Not yet. We'll see. In order for that to be true, like I said, we need these levels to start. No, that's an indicator of the opening range, just to give me a visual. You talking about the red and green lines? Yeah, it's called the opening range breakout. Yeah, orb. Yeah, orb. I have it set for 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes opening, and I have that just for a visual. Like, I'm being lazy. I could easily mark it out myself, but just have it for a visual. I like to see where it stands. But anyways, we're pushing down here, right? We've already broken this one, right? Here's this next one where I want to see these previous lows being taken out, right? Because that'll indicate to the downside the move. Oh, I was actually tired this morning. Anyways, let's make sure we have our news taken care of. So we got President Trump speaks at 3 p.m. Other than that, we should be okay. So we got opening bell happening here in about 12 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Usually for the first 10-15 minutes I don't like to trade of opening bell, just because I'm sure you guys are aware the volatility in NQ is crazy. So during those 10 to 15 minutes, I like price to do its thing, because it usually goes up and down. Like, for example, if you look at this opening, pushed up, pushed down, like it goes both ways before it picks its side, right? So I don't want to get stuck in these wicks and getting, you know, knocked around. So we just give it a little time, baby. Give it a little time. the biggest, the largest. Anybody else trading futures or NQ today? Remember, guys, I'm no longer trading Forex. I'm no longer trading currencies. I am strictly trading NQ on the futures market. And honestly, I couldn't be more happy. And I mean, I'm excited. And I enjoy it a lot more. I feel like it's a lot more consistent, and it's honestly like the same if you were trading in the Forex market, if you're trading NAS 100, or it's very similar to US 30 NAS 100 type of deal. I trade gold, yeah, I used to love trading gold on the Forex market. I think I hit probably my biggest profitable days and biggest days trading gold. But I've had really good days with NQ, and just really coming to like know how it moves on the futures market, like the hours, the holidays, the off seasons, the times and all that good stuff. Because in the Forex market, it's kind of like 24/7 type of deal. And the futures market, a lot of it is, you do have the after hours trading, but you're going to see most of the volume come in during New York. Usually during Asia, and it kind of levels off, consolidates. Then you have either continuation or manipulation on London session, after hours trading, and then you have the New York session. But to me, I don't really trade any other session other than New York. My routine has been kind of set like that, so who's new here? Who's never seen this live stream before and then just like popped up and said, hey, I'm just curious. Because I know a lot of you guys probably are coming from seeing me before. Back in the day, I hadn't streamed in like a year though. But I mean, I'm excited to be back on stream and hang out with you guys. The new strategy. So on